Hi friends, welcome to our output channel. Today I am planning to explain how to use the classes in Python. See here I started this functionality using the classes with the properties and constructors. This is the class. We are using this is the class and this is the generally we are using in the other languages, that is in PHP or Java or everything, then that we are using the constructors, but here we are using it is equal to this one. This is the init. What is the init? All classes have the function called init function, which is always executed when the class is being initiated. This is the methods, this is the object, this is the class name. We are creating the object. What the here is create an object named object whoops list and print the value of the whoops. What is the whoops? Whoops is this one. This is the object of this one. This is the, for this one we need to create, that is the whoops. These are methods calling, that is whoops dot what is that method. See here, like this we should be using on here whoops list. This is the class name. Here inside I am using the parameters, that is the roger, that is the name of the roger. This is the three different types of functions, sorry, three different types of folder structures. This is also folder test CSV, sales under the test CSV, and collection underscore under the TSV. Go to here. This is the in the last, that is the go to the last. This is the outstanding test CSV. Inside of the test CSV we have the lot of the function, lot of the files is there. Okay, see here. First of all, we can how to call this individual function, through constructor. How to we can do the do this one. This is the self. This is the self is the default parameter in our application. This is the name and the sales and the collection and outstanding. It is equal to this one. Now here I am using the method, that is the sales.c, means whoops.sales.c, means here self.sales. Self.sales means it is equal to, that is the sales. Similar another method, that is the collection underscore c. This is the same thing we are using on here, that is the self. We can use here self.collection, similar as outstanding. Here also self.outstanding. These things I should be called on here. Go to now how to execute this one. What is that? What we are getting the output on here. Before we can see, that is the what is the class. To create the class, to use the keyword, that is the class. In a Python we are using in everywhere, that is in colon is the mandatory. Go to now the command line prompt. See this one. First of all, we can see clear the screen. Now sorry, okay, now screen is cleared. Go to python3 whoops1.py. Just type the press the enter. You can see now what happened. Here is the object. This is the object. See, go to in the code, we can observe that one what happened. Here whoops, Here is the whoops. Sorry. This is the whoops. This is the object of the whoop. What happened here? Here, this is the enter that object ID. And what is the class name? It is showing on here. None. Go to test 1, test 2, test 3. Where it is, where it will be coming from the here. In every method, I am using here test 1, test 2, test 3. These three things, it's happened on here in the terminal. Test 1, test 2, test 3 means method 1, method 2, method 3. Next one, go to in the JSON format, using on here in the print like as a dictionary. Test 1, test 1. In test 1, what happened? It is the written that is the sales URL. Similarly, outstanding. Test 2 means a collection. Test 3 is the outstanding. Go to in browser. You can see here sales dot collection underscore test. That is the you enter the path of the sales and outstanding. Sorry, collection, and this is the outstanding. These three is coming. Means our understand now. This is the process of the constructor. We are passing the parameters. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.